chair, teacher, kitchen.
A chair. A teacher. A kitchen. A chicken. Old. New.
Are they books? Yes, they are. Are they new? No, they aren't. They are old. Are they chickens? Yes, they are. Are they white? No, they aren't. They are brown. Are they sweaters? No, they aren't. They are hats. Are they new? Yes, they are. Are they cats? No, they aren't. They are rabbits. Are they white? Yes, they are. Are they hats? Yes, they are. Are they black? No, they aren't. They are green. Are they cats? No, they aren't. They are teachers. Are they old? Yes, they are. Are they pictures? Yes, they are. Are they new? No, they aren't. They are old. What are they? They are dogs. What color are they? They are white and brown. Where are they? They are under the tree. What are they? They are eggs. What color are they? They are white. Where are they? They are in the box. What are they? They are chickens. What color are they? They are black. Where are they? They are in the kitchen. What are they? They are chairs. What color are they? They are black. Where are they? They are in the kitchen. What are they? They are rabbits. What color are they? They are black. Where are they? They are under the umbrella.